What's the meaning of bribe? Bribe. Bribe.
Bribe. Bribe. A bribe is a form of the legal payment or gift given to someone in a position of authority or power, in order to influence their actions or decisions in the briber's favor. Bribes can take various forms such as money, gifts, services, or favors. The result of a bribe can be damaging and unfair as it undermines fairness, transparency, and justice. It can also lead to a breakdown of trust between citizens and their leaders, erode democratic values, and create a culture of corruption that harms both individuals and society as a whole.